How to log in into Doha Bank online account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can log in into Doha Bank online account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, open up your preferred browser, head towards the search bar and type in Doha Bank. From your search results, head towards the first link, that is qa.dohabank.com, and click on it. That's gonna land you to the official website. Now to log in, head towards the menu bar or this toolbar on your right hand side, and here there is the type of account. So under personal, you have to click on login button. Then you'll be taken into login page. If you navigate to your left hand side, there is a login prompt where you have to enter your username and correct password associated with your account. So type in your correct username, under that type in your password and simply click on login button. And if you have entered your correct login credential, you will be logged in to your account. In case if you forgot your username or password, there is a link right here in order to recover your account. So click on that, follow some instructions, and that's gonna help you recover your account. And that's the way to log in into Doha Bank online banking account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.